Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to clean the filters on your Daikin air conditioner in order to basically improve the cooling performance and maintain better airflow. So first of all, you need to simply turn off your Daikin air conditioner using the remote and then wait for the unit to basically stop completely. After doing so, you just have to simply lift the front cover of the indoor unit until it stays open. You will also see one or two mesh air filters which are going to look something like this, located just behind the front panel. So you need to simply hold the tabs on each filter. You need to lift them slightly and then pull the filters downward in order to remove them from the unit. Afterwards, you can just simply use this type of vacuum cleaner or any type of dust cleaner. If the filters are very dirty, you can also wash them with the help of the lukewarm water. So when you basically remove the dust from the filters, or when you basically wash them with the help of the water, you just have to let them dry. After that, you just have to simply reinstall the filters into the original position, close the front panel and turn the air conditioner back on. So if the filter light is on, you can also reset the filter indicator using your remote after you clean it. So that's how you can basically do it. Thanks for watching.